My school is number 103rd, and my teacher's surname is Mutaliba, and the name is Rayhan. My surname is Khaldibek, and my name is Ayana. This theme is the meaning of language and its function. бұл жобаның тақырыбы тілдің мәні және оның қызметі. Philosophy considers language primarily as a natural and social phenomenon that has arisen as a result of social historical progress. Science there is no speech language outside of societies. Does it exist and doesn't exist? On the other hand, where there is no language, there is no communication, no progress. Language and society are inseparably united. Language is a means by which people can act together, exchange opinions, and understandingly act to achieve a common goal. Achieve a common success in the production of material goods. Consequently, production is a primary dialectical communication of language and production, determining and a decisive factor. In particular, a spoken language to improve the conditions of his existence, to considerably influence natural conditions and social relations, and this need gave rise to language. According to its orientation, the language is published in monology, dialogy, and biology types. The monology language is considered to be later. This is because language arose out of the need for communication. The uses of language of society also include the status of the language, the scope, the state, and the official language, the status of the language of international communication, and the development of the language. It is estimated that there are now about 6,000 living languages in the world. 70% of them don't have a written language and are on the verge of extinction.